You can't be out here not washing your face now, honey. I saw this trick on TikTok. I'm finna see if it works. Hold on. Y'all, it works.
If you wanna do this moment is perfect. Let's go on and do it. Oh my goodness, and I'm in the mood. Yeah, just best that we undress and go on and do it.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Ree, and I am back with another video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below. If you are already one of the girls, hey girl. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a skincare routine. I'm going to show you guys everything that I do to get my skin to be glowy. Girls have been raving about my skin, y'all. I have been getting so many compliments on my skin. Everybody's been telling me it's been looking really, really good, which is, it just feels really good to know that, like, not y'all watching me. Everything I use is super affordable. Even the stuff that aren't really affordable, it lasts forever. So stay tuned and make sure you look. I have so many tips in this video, and I feel like y'all are gonna like it. It's really, really self-explanatory. Like, if you want skin to look like this, follow the steps. Simple. Like, don't be too difficult, don't do too much. If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up from now. Like, stop what you're doing, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you check out my last video as well if you haven't already. Girl, you is behind. Let's not forget now, the nails. The nails, get into the nails. The nails is from 𝚂𝚘𝚌𝚒 on Instagram. You can also shop on our store. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up because they're so cute. If you watching the video and you're trying to figure out where she got these press-ons from, they're press-ons. They're press-ons. They're press-ons. Get there from my store, okay, my Instagram, okay, 𝚂𝚘𝚌𝚒. 𝚂𝚘𝚌𝚒. Shop. They're very affordable and they last up to 2 weeks. Okay, let me just add a little mini sponsor in there, okay, because why not? We also do custom orders, so make sure you stop by and drop your custom order. Who doesn't wear press-ons? Catch up with the times. It's 2022. Let's get right into it. I feel like I'm rambling. So to start off, when I wash my face, I'm usually in the shower. I usually wash my face twice a day. Okay, let me just give y'all a list of tips that I feel like you have to follow in order to get your skin like your girl Ree. Cetaphil. Cetaphil is so good for your skin. It's good for sensitive skin as well. I am not sponsoring them, but Cetaphil, if you want me to sponsor you, then let me know, baby. Hit my email, let me know. Daily facial cleanser. It's a combination for oily and sensitive skin. I don't think I have oily skin. I maybe do have sensitive skin. I really don't know. But y'all, I keep looking over at the view of my camera, but I used to use it when I was in high school and it was always good, but like, I don't know, like high school skin is different from grown-up skin. So if you're in high school, just keep trying, girl. Just keep trying until you find what works for you. I also noticed that you don't need a lot of stuff, and everyone's skin is different, so everyone's skin routine is different and you just never know what'll work for you. But for me, I feel like the less that you use on your skin, whether you have sensitive skin or not, the less that you use, the better. Okay, your skin is not your body. Like this part of your body is just different. So, and it's just really, really good. Anybody that knows. So let's just get right into it. Second tip, you want to use warm water. When you start washing your face, you want to start with warm water, and then you want to go back in, double back, and rinse with cold water. That's just the way it's done. Okay, opens up your pores, get all that soap in there, do what you gotta do, exfoliate the way you gotta exfoliate, and then rinse it with super cold water. The face is fully covered in water. I like to go over it like a few times just to like fully open my pores. Okay, so I'm gonna go in 2 pumps of the Cetaphil and then just go in. Cetaphil, like, I love you. I really love you. It doesn't really have a scent, so it's not really exciting as far as how it smells. It's really not exciting at all, but it get the job done. So here is tip number 3, y'all. This is tip number 3. When you're massaging your face, You want to massage for like a good 20 seconds. Like keep going in, keep getting in there, and always do a circular motion. I like to do, so I'll do one way and then I'll go back the other way. And then like, you know what I mean? Like down the sides, you got to make sure you get them sides. Scrub them eyebrows, I don't know. Circular motion. When I get to my cheek area, I like to just like palm the whole thing. You want to get up to your sideburns, get all up in there, like get all up in there. Sometimes it's harder to do a full skincare routine when you have like a hairstyle or something. Like right now I have plaits, so it's not a big deal, but like when I have like a lace on, girl, I don't be wanting this shit to touch my lace. I do not be wanting this to touch my lace, so it'd be harder. But you know, you gotta be determined. You still gotta wash your face and stuff, ladies. You can't be out here looking dirty. You can't be out here not washing your face now, honey. With my nose, I be liking to like scrub my nose a little bit, like with my nails and stuff. Get in the creases right here. My nose peels a lot. Not a lot, I'm exaggerating. My nose be peeling. So now I'm changing my water setting to like cold water, and it's gonna shock my face. I really hate this part. But you want cold water because the cold water closes up your pores. It closes everything. It washes, like it rinses really good, and it just closes everything up. If you guys have, not craters, but you know what I mean. Like a lot of people have their pores, it looks open all the time. I don't know the correct terms for it, but like people pores be open. You gotta use cold water, kind of close them pores out, flush that face, and then boom. I do not go in again with the second take because you don't have to do all of that. But if you have like a clean face towel, you can go in with your face towel or whatever you have, and then just dab your face dry. Today I'm just gonna go in with these rounds, these cotton rounds from Walmart. These cotton rounds get the job done. I'm like running out, but who cares? So I'm just gonna go in with a cotton round, and I'm gonna dry off my face. I don't know, people try to be all like specific about it, and they be like, oh, pat your face instead of like dragging it, but I don't really care. I mean, this works for me, so I just drag it along and it works for me. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying, ladies? All you're really trying to do is just get your face dry. You don't want water on it, because the next step that you're about to do, you just want to make sure it's dry. This is a real secret, okay? This is a real secret, okay? I use the Dickinson's Enhanced Witch Hazel. The girls don't know about this. The girls do not know about this. It's alcohol free. It's a hydrating toner. So, okay, normally toners have alcohol in them. Toners are usually like your witch hazel, your there's one that I used to use all the time. It's like blue. They got a blue one and they got a yellow one. The blue one is like sensitive skin, and the other one is like regular. I don't remember, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I used to use it when I was younger. Again, my high school routine was different, and it was super strong on my face, super strong, and I never had bad skin, but it still was a lot for my face. This one right here, all natural. It moisturizes my skin. Like, don't get me wrong, after you wash your face, you still have to moisturize, but this toner is so good, y'all. It's so good. It really works magic. And it has rose water in it, alcohol free, and it has rose water in it. When I tell y'all best decision, I randomly went in Walmart, and that's why it's good to just kind of test stuff out, because you never know what'll work for you. I went in Walmart one day, I grabbed it, and I said, I'm gonna just try this toner, because why not? I ran out of toner, and I was using toner from TrueVine, my girl. I was using it for my girl, and it was really good. But I ran out, and I was like, oh my god, I don't have time to just order one right now. Like, let me just go to Walmart real quick. I was already in Walmart, and I just grabbed this, and look at the bottle, y'all. I haven't even had this for that long, but I use it so much. It's so good. I actually have 2 bottles. So you just get another cotton round, and you just want to I like to flood mine, like not flood, but cover it fully. I saw this trick on TikTok. I'm gonna see if it works. Hold on. Y'all, it works. It works. Oh wait. Y'all, it actually works. So basically the trick on TikTok was you blow it and it foams up. It actually just did it, and you use the foam on your face. But I think because mine isn't alcohol based, it's alcohol free, so I kind of figured it wasn't gonna stay foamed up, but it did foam up a little bit. So I just use this and I get all the excess. And this is what my swab looks like after one side, right? And then I just flip on the other side and I just do it again. Now that I did that, I like to let it air dry. Let it get real dry. At this point, here's tip number 4. I don't have it with me right now, but I was using it on my skin and it really was doing a big difference. A cucumber. So ladies, get a cucumber, peel it, peel the cucumber, put it in a bag, freeze it. After you freeze the cucumber, you want to just massage it on your skin, massage it on your face every day, massage it on your lips. After you do your toner part with your rose water, you want to go in and get that motherfucker, get it good, get it real good. Massage everything in for like a good 20 seconds. If you can, do a few minutes. Like just sit there and just be on your phone and just do it. It's really good. It keeps your pores closed. The ice is good. It's really good for your skin, and I was glowing different. Your girl was glowing different. Okay, so I say do that. Your skin is like really soft afterwards. It feels so massaged, like it's really good. Like just massage your face with it. I'm letting y'all know that's the real trick. Get you a cucumber, peel it, freeze it, massage your face with it, peel it, freeze it again, continuously. Just keep doing the same thing. So now I'm about to go in with my moisturizers. So I like African shea moisture or shea butter or whatever. I love shea butter. It works for me. I don't know, I think it's just like an all natural skin moisturizer, and I really feel like all natural skin moisturizers really work best. Like chemicals are not it, but I'm going to eat my own words because I also really love bio oil, and I don't know where the hell they get this serum from, but it really is good. Okay, so these are the two things that I mix together to create a perfect moisturizer for myself, and I'm going to show you guys how much of it I use. But before I do that, I'm going to also show you guys something that is really good for skin in general. I use Mederma. Okay, I want this to focus. Y'all can kind of see. I use Mederma on my blemishes, so I don't have any right now. My face is about to break out and I can see it. I don't have any right now, but y'all, I had a really bad, I don't know if y'all can see that, but I had a really bad dark spot right here. It was a bump, then it went away. But I don't know, like if y'all seen any of my other videos, I always have this bump right here. Like I always have this one bump right here, a mark right here. I think as ladies, we just have spots on our face that are just period bumps, come in the same spot. But like this is an area that I just could not get rid of. And ever since I started using Mederma, it's not like I'm like advertising them, I take a little bit of it, and this is for scars. So I have a few scars on my body that I use this with every day, like twice a day, and it works wonders. It's very expensive, but it works. Okay, this little tube is like $20, but it works, and you don't need a lot. So I put a little bit on my finger. This is even a lot, and I put it on the bump. It's not a bump anymore, but it's just a little mark, and I rub it in. Sometimes if I put too much, I'll end up rubbing it into the whole side of that side of my face. Then I let that dry. Okay, I don't see any other parts of my face that may have blemishes that may need it. So then I let that dry. It don't take long because I wanted to focus on that one area, and you can kind of see it gets really shiny, and that's usually how I know if it's dry. So this is what I do now. This is the trick now. Hold on, y'all, look how much I'm scooped out of here. Crazy. This my shit though. This my shit. This really the crack. This is really what works, okay? You don't need a lot. Like, this is probably it that I'm gonna use. This is it. Put it in the back. You put it in your palm. I'm gonna take a little bit more because I'm being extra just for y'all. But this is really it, y'all. Like, you don't need any more than that, okay? So a little piece of hair in here. Hold up. Then I go in with my bio oil. Okay, I take the bio oil. When I tell you 2 drops is all you need, you barely even need 2 drops. Like, don't even overdo it. Do like 1.5 drops. Like, boom. I think that's enough. But I'm gonna do one more just for the video. Come on. 2 drops. Okay. Close that motherfucker up. You're gonna rub until the oil melts completely in your hand. So you're gonna rub. It's melted into your hand. And you're just gonna moisturize your skin. And y'all, look at that already. Just beautiful. So I just go ahead. I get it on my neck too. Everywhere. And then I just get in there. And voila, y'all, that's my skincare routine, and it's looking good. Okay, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment because I like to talk to you guys, so leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more from me, and let me know what else you would like to see. This is it. It really does not take a lot. This is really it. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. So yeah.